Welcome to the Brookfield Office Park at 31500 Northwestern Highway in beautiful Farmington Hills. Outside, you will find meticulously landscaped grounds, which include a breathtaking sitting area and fountain. For your safety and convenience, we also provide covered, reserved underground parking. Once inside, you'll be greeted by our dramatic atrium lobby, featuring granite flooring and leather seating. We also offer spacious building corridors with plush carpeting, oak trim, and oak suite doors. Your new office is just 5 minutes to the Lodge Freeway in Southfield, 10 minutes to 696, and just 3 minutes to Orchard Lake Road with endless shopping and dining. With over 5,000 square feet of built-to-suite space, come see why Brookfield Office has been awarded with the Continued Excellence Beautification Award for 12 years running. Our standards are as high as your expectations. We work to create, maintain, and deserve an enduring relationship with you. Your new office space awaits. For more information, please contact Josh today at 248-358-0800 or visit etkinllc.com.